Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So I was just talking to one of my friend and he told me that I'm a different person when I'm in different situations and when I'm with my family I'm a different person. When I'm with my friends, with my colleagues, I'm a different, like altogether a different person and a different personality. So I thought that this is kind of a good thing because I am able to mend into the atmosphere, and it's easier for me to be able to be present with other people and to be there for them. So I kind of thought that this is a good thing to be like having a different personality in different situation. But sometimes this characteristics of having a different personality in different situation can be a little bit too much for us, because when we are stressed and when we are anxious, all these voices are saying all these things inside our head, and we are not able to decide that which one to listen to, whether to listen to our heart and whether to listen to our mind. And our mind is altogether saying so many things at in a one situation. So in such scenarios, all these voices, all these personalities that we are having inside ourselves is kind of dividing us into different person, and we're not able to decide what to do in those situations and how to make a decision, and which one of these personality is the real one, and which one of these personality is going to help us in a particular situation, in a particular problem. I want to tell you that all these beliefs, convictions and thoughts that we are having inside our mind are not truly ours. All these thoughts have been put into our mind by our family, by our friends, by world in general. So which is why we don't know who we truly are, and we are not able to take a decision. We are not able to move ahead and take a firm ground and make a decision in our life, because we don't know what to do, and all these voices are kind of confusing us all the time. Which is why I think it is important to reflect on our personality right now, and to unleash that real self, that is our own spirit, which is always right and which is always trying to help us, but we are not listening to it. We are only listening to the thoughts and beliefs that have been put into our mind by all these people in our life. We believe that we need to compete in this world, we need to achieve something extraordinary in this world to feel worthy, because our parents believe that. It is fair enough for them to feel like that, because they want us to achieve something good, they want us to have a good life, but that is not truly our belief. This is what they think, and we also think that we also believe that we need to look good and we need to have that perfect body, because all of our friends are working out and they are just talking about it all the time, that I'm losing weight and I'm doing this kind of exercise, I'm having abs. It is their belief, and you don't need to participate in those beliefs if you don't vibe with them. You don't have to be believing everything that your friends are believing. You can have your own beliefs, you can have your own thoughts, you can have your own convictions, and you can go on from there. And one belief that is the most important and the most bullshit belief in the general world is that you are nothing if you decide to have a simple and a happy life. You are nothing if you don't have extraordinary goals, and if you don't achieve those extraordinary goals, you are not worthy of having a happy life, and people are criticizing you all the time that you don't have enough goals in your life. So I want to tell you that all these beliefs have been put into our mind by the world, and we don't need to follow what the world is doing and what the world is thinking. And most of the time we fail in our life and we are disappointed in our life because we are listening to all these voices. We are doing what the world is doing, we are doing what our parents are telling us to do, what our friends are doing. We are continuously listening to them, which is why we are having so many struggles in our life, so many disappointments in our life, because that voice is not coming from ourselves. That is not our true voice. That is the voice of other people, and until we don't listen to that voice that is coming deep inside ourselves, we are never going to achieve anything in our life. We are not going to have that peaceful and happy life. So what is important is that we have to be still and listen to that voice, which is the voice of our spirit, the voice that is truly ours, and it is not affected by the voices of other people, the voices of the world. And until we don't listen to that voice, that peace, that sense of security, that sense of satisfaction in our life is never going to come. So what we can do is, first we need to be still and learn how to be able to listen to that voice that is saying something to us, that is our own true voice. That is the most important thing right now, because we are in a very competing world right now. People are just rushing towards something, and they don't even know that what they are running after. We are all doing that. Even I am doing that. Sometimes I'm doing things that I don't want to do, but since everyone else is doing, then I also have to do that. So I think that we need to take, I think that we need to have that first step of courage towards listening to our voice. And when we take that first step of courage, it will give us enough courage to take the second step. And this is how the journey is going to start. The journey starts with this one step of courage, and we don't have to do anything extraordinary right now to take on this journey. We just have to be still. We have to find that center within ourselves, that center that is not divided, that center that is still unaffected by the voices of other people, that center which is truly the center of our voice, of our spirit. And to find that center, I think that we need to give us enough solitude, give us enough time of silence. I think that life is one big drama, and we are all just actors in that life. And until we stop competing too much, and until we stop running after things and be still and try to know our real self, we are not going to be peaceful, and we are not going to have that amazing life that we are supposed to have. But the first step is obviously keeping ourselves into the silence. And within that silence, we are going to find our real self, our individuality. And once we dive deep into it, I think that all these personalities that we have accumulated within ourselves, the personalities of the outer world, those personalities that is not truly our own personality, we will slowly shed all those personalities, and we will become what we are supposed to become. And we will have our own individual thoughts that are not biased by the other people. And I think that that is also a way of finding our true passion in our life. And with passion comes the happiness that we deserve. So the first step obviously is to be still and try to find yourself. Take any kind of meditation practice that you can, and give yourself 10 to 15 minutes every day, or you can do more than that. And I think that meditation is never enough. You can just sit around for many hours and it is still not enough, but you can start with 10 to 15 minutes. Try to find that center within yourself, that center where there are no thoughts. It is difficult in the start, but you have to start somewhere. So let's do this. As you all know that I meditate every day, and I try different kind of meditations. You can try the mantra meditation. If you don't want to sit in silence for 10-15 minutes, you can try to say Om in your meditation. And you can also try the Silva meditation. There are so many kind of meditation that you can do, but you just have to make the start. You just have to take the first step, and that is the most important thing. Take the first step, shed out all those personalities that are not truly yours, and become your real self. And once you become your real self, all these struggles, all the problems that you're having in your life, all the stresses, they will just go away, because the problems, the stresses are coming from the personalities that you have accumulated. Those personalities are not you. You will become yourself only when you become still. So let's do this, and thank you for watching this video, and please comment anything that you want to talk to me about. And much love to you and happiness to you.